Today we're visiting a surfboard manufacturing facility in Oceanside, California, the city with more surfboard makers than anywhere else in the country. Here we'll see how surfboards are made and learn about the craftsmen who shape and finish these unique works of art.
I'm Tommy Daniels. I'm the production supervisor here at the Whitlock Surf Factory in Oceanside, California. I make sure that everything is running smoothly here. The CNC machine, I do the shaping. I'm also the airbrush artist here, and I keep the guys moving and the production rolling. I'm kind of the Swiss Army knife here. It's got to be perfect when it leaves here. We have a big reputation to hold, and I make sure that it's done right. The daily grind here at the factory, usually shape a few boards in the morning. If not, have a stack usually. Airbrush a few boards, and I come up here upstairs and glass, multiple boards. I make sure that the materials are ordered and everybody has what they need for the day. They pretty much give me full reign. Tommy, make sure it's done right. So straight out of high school, I moved to the North Shore of Hawaii, and I was an airbrush artist. That was the first thing I did in this whole process, and one thing kept leading to another. And then when I moved back to Florida, I worked for a gentleman, Juan Rodriguez of One World Surf Designs, that I owe him the world for giving me the education and the experience to become what I have today. My advice would be, I would suggest math. I had no idea how much math is actually involved in shaping surfboards and building things. Also, art, because this is a very creative thing. Chemistry, because this is definitely chemistry. We're dealing with resins and composites and different facets of, the aerospace industry actually, but we're still building surfboards the same way they did 60, 70 years ago. When I'm looking to hire an apprentice, I'm looking for somebody that, first off, is punctual, is teachable, a good listener, and really has a love for doing this. So they usually do, if you came in here green, meaning you didn't know anything, you're gonna be at the bottom, but you're gonna be learning every aspect of building the surfboard, taking care of the shop, and working your way up in each of the processes. This job, it's my passion, it's my profession. I enjoy coming to work every day, I smile. I don't think I would rather be doing anything else. I've been doing this for almost 35 years now, and this is what I love.